Kanika, why don't you tell us what do you think you achieved and what have your milestones been?
So, achievement, as soon as we were given this term, so it took us back to think actually what we have achieved, because in a normal life, we women hardly give thought to these things, achievement, because we take this thing as a backseat, or being, maybe we are sounding too boastful for it. But I would say, being in my 20s, when everybody has an ambition, so I did nothing but being in my 30s and taking up not a regular job, but being a mompreneur myself and taking up something with two kids and handling them single handedly in a nuclear setup where my husband is traveling most of the time. So that's like an achievement for me. I don't realize more often, but when I am, my mother or somebody cites that example to others, then I feel like, okay, that I have done this.
दीपिका जी, अभी अभी आपके पास आते हैं कि आपकी जर्नी कैसी रही है.
मैंने तो पहले सपने में भी नहीं सोचा था कि मैं यहाँ तक आ पहुँचूँगी. मतलब ऐसे कॉमेडियन देखती थी, मतलब बड़े बड़े लोग देखती थी. कभी हम लोग गरीब है, मतलब घर काम करते तो मैं एक सपना देख भी नहीं सकती थी. मगर आज ऐसा लगता है कि मैंने कहाँ से कहाँ पहुँच गई हूँ. मैंने आसमान छू लिया है.
आपको कब ऐसे लगा कि हाँ मैंने ये अचीव किया है?
जब मैं दिल्ली में गई थी ना, तभी कॉमेडी कर रही थी. उसके बाद में जब भी मैं उतर रही स्टेज से, तभी मेरे पीछे ऐसे प्रेस वालों की, मतलब न्यूज़ वालों के ऐसे भीड़ लगी थी, भाग रहे थे. तो मेरा मैनेजर था, वो बोला कि मैडम आप तो ना सेलिब्रिटी बन गई. तो मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा ना, बाप रे. बोलो चलो कुछ तो हो रहा है. तो सब बातें सुन के अच्छा लगता है. और बिल्डिंग में भी सभी लोग बोलते हैं मुझे कि हमारी बिल्डिंग में सेलिब्रिटी अभी रहती है. तो थोड़ा वो सुन के अच्छा लगता है.
Hinal, what do you think, looking back at your journey, what do you think you've achieved and what are your milestones like?
You know, it's really funny because when you ask me this question, it really, I do have to spend a few minutes to think about what is it that I've really achieved, because I'm sure there'll be a lot of things and I'll probably be missing a lot that I can think of. But on the top of my head, I just feel that, I had a dream of becoming a chartered accountant and excelling at my job. So in the very first year of my employment, I was put on this really important deal for the company. And at the end of the year, you have these year-end awards. And you have to nominate yourself. And I, of course, missed out nominating myself because I never thought of that as a really big thing to do. But I think having missed nominating myself and then winning it, I think when I look back, I think that was a really big milestone in my life.
On the same note, I would like to ask all of you this one question. How have you all celebrated your milestones?
When I reached 50,000 followers, which recently that was my biggest achievement in content creation, and when I got that number, I was eagerly waiting for that number, But when I reached there, I was actually in the car and I was and I got calls from people, hey, Imani, you've reached 50,000. You've reached that mark. I was like, what? Seriously? And I've done it. And I reached home and I just hugged my husband. And he was so happy. I was in the room. He just comes out and he gets a plate with a small cake and he's like, there's some surprise for you. And when I come out, and I was like, oh, that's so sweet. I wouldn't have thought, because I actually didn't think of celebrating that moment, but he did.
I really relate to what you said, because I think we don't firstly think of it as achievements, and therefore there's no question of celebration. But to be surrounded by people who notice it, acknowledge it, and then make you celebrate, I think that makes it very special and much needed, because as is the topic that we hardly do anything about our achievements. Forget celebrating them. So honestly, I've also never celebrated my achievements except when I turned 40. I went all out. I was like, this is how I want to turn 40. This is what I want to do. And I did exactly what all I wanted to do.
When I got my first paycheck, I didn't decide to celebrate it for myself. I decided to really buy things for others. That's how you celebrate.
Correct.
So I think inherently we're brought up in such a way that we've been conditioned to think this way, that bragging or talking about your achievements is not a good thing. It's always looked at in a very negative light, I think. So that's, I think, where all of this comes from, that, you know, we look for external validation.
We never give ourselves a credit, you know, but we should give ourselves a credit, because we are breaking the stereotype. We are raising our kid as well as we are raising ourselves.
दीपिका जी, आपका क्या ख्याल है इस बात में? आपने जो इतना कुछ अचीव किया लाइफ में, कभी आपने बैठ के सोचा, आपने अपनी बेटियों के लिए इतना किया, अपने परिवार के लिए किया, पर कभी आपने अपने आप के लिए सोचा कि हाँ मैंने इतना कुछ कर लिया, अभी अपने आप के लिए और कुछ सोच लूँ, कि सेलिब्रेट करूँ अपने विन्स एक बार के लिए, ऐसा कुछ हुआ?
कभी कभी आजकल सोचती हूँ मैं तो मुझे लगता है कि खुद के लिए भी कुछ करना चाहिए, जो पहले एंजॉय किया वो भी कर रही हूँ मैं.
हाँ. Heenal, what do you think? Why do women underplay themselves?
So I think it all boils down to how the society is conditioned women to be. We're too busy wearing so many hats that we're too busy to not know that, okay, you know, this is something you need to do for yourself too. But I think it's platforms like this and the kind of, you know, social media, the content revolution that is happening on social media, that a lot of women are realizing that it's not a bad thing to really celebrate yourself. You know, you're not going to be a braggart if you talk about, oh, I did this. It's just going to be self-care. It's not selfish, it's self-care.
Yeah.
And it's really important for you to be happy. Like, pour in your cup and that's when you can pour out. Right? So, I think that change in mindset that has been so ingrained till now is going to probably change the situation.
Yeah. With this note, I think the conversation has just been such a wonderful place to be at. From self-worth to celebrating our wins, we've come a long way and we aspire to go even further. So thank you so much for being here, being with She the People, and thank you for removing the time and making this a success. Thank you.
Thank you for having
Thank you
us.
so much
Real
for this
pleasure. Thank you.
opportunity.
Thanks
Thank
a
you.
lot.